a taco ranch dressing. I'm actually, for dinner, we're having black bean chili over potatoes, so I thought this would be fabulous to go over that. It would be great on a taco salad. It's wonderful on a Buddha bowl. So lots of different ways you can use it. I'm using cashews. You could use any other soft nut if cashews are an issue for you. You could use almonds. You could even use hemp seeds if you would like to use hemp seeds. That makes a delicious dressing. So I have a half a cup of cashews that I had soaking, so they're nice and soft. I'm putting them in my Vitamix, and I'm going to add a half a cup of water. I had a measuring cup out. A half a cup of water, and depending on whether or not your blender is, you have a regular standard blender or a Vitamix, you may need to add a little bit more water. All right, then I'm going to add the juice of a lime. See where you can see me. There we go. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Remember, anytime you use apple cider vinegar, make sure you pick one that has not been pasteurized. It still has the mother in it. That means it still has those live enzymes. I'm going to put now, here's where your choices are. So you have your nuts with an equal amount of water. You have the juice of a lime. Now we're going to add our seasoning. So you could use a taco seasoning. If you buy a purchased taco seasoning, read your ingredients. A lot of times there are some mystery ingredients in there or things that you do not want. You can make your own taco seasoning or a Cajun seasoning. That might be kind of weird for a taco. But I'm just going to put in my own spices to show you. So what if I don't have any taco seasoning? So I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt. This is just the Himalayan pink salt. I'm going to put in probably 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I like the chili powder. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of cumin. And 1 teaspoon of onion powder. There we go. I'm going to blend that up. See if I can bring you closer to me. There we go. See that? Smells delicious. And now I'm just going to pour that into my jar, which I labeled. It says Taco Ranch. Pour it in there. And it should be just over a cup. This is a pint jar here. And there we go. Taco Ranch. This is delicious. Let me know if you try it. And let me know what seasonings you put in it if you didn't do taco seasoning. And let me know what you put it on. Like and share my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Enjoy.